Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by confirming versions and getting admin access. This matters because activation tools differ by edition. Once done, turn off VPN or proxy and temporarily pause antivirus to avoid interference. Then open Command Prompt as administrator. This lets you run the necessary licensing commands. You're not installing anything risky yet, just preparing the environment. Make sure your system clock is correct. Incorrect time often blocks activation. Now proceed to the next steps to apply the license commands. You'll execute activation commands that actually tell Windows or Office to accept your license. First, run slmgr. VBS to install a product key with slmgr/ip key, then force online activation with slmgr/auto. This applies to Windows. For Office, navigate to the appropriate program Files folder and run OSP. VBS to input the key and call /act to activate. This targets Office licensing. If the system reports errors, restart the software protection service and try commands again. After commands, confirm success by viewing detailed license status. This tells you whether the key applied. If Windows or Office remains unlicensed, note the error code and rerun the specific activation command. Many issues resolve by retrying after a service restart. You can also run the Microsoft Activation Troubleshooter to automate fixes. Once activated, re-enable antivirus and VPN and perform a final reboot. If problems persist, save the activation logs and contact support with the codes. Those numbers guide the next steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.